Good morning, it's Thursday the 17th of March and this is your daily outlook. The Japanese yen soars as the nuclear crisis deepens. The euro fell against the dollar yesterday as fears of a nuclear leak in Japan hurts demand for riskier bets. The nuclear crisis in Japan knocked the euro to $138.65 from $140, but the euro's decline was limited as investors are focusing on EU's new rescue package and rate hike expectations. Today, the single currency managed to recover its losses and climb as high as $139.77 versus the dollar. Against the Japanese yen, the US dollar plummeted to an all-time low during the US session as Japan's nuclear crisis deepens. US officials warned of a possible catastrophic nuclear situation in Japan, spreading fears and global uncertainty. Investors buy the yen on speculation the Japanese will seek to liquidate their assets and repatriate their funds for reconstruction. The pair dipped to 76.72 from 81.12. After the dramatic move, the pair recovered some of its losses on speculation that the Bank of Japan will intervene to stop the yen's rise. The pair then rose to trade at 79.72 and it was last trading at 79.05. The US dollar appears stronger as heightened risk aversion in the market spurs demand for safe haven assets. Risk sentiment was also hurt by data revealing that US housing starts and building permits fell more than expected in February. The dollar rose against the sterling and the Australian dollar but fell against the Swiss franc. The sterling slid to $159.81 from $161.30, hurt by risk aversion as well as rising unemployment rates. The Australian dollar also dropped against the greenback as demand for high-yielding assets is low. Yesterday, the Aussie fell well below parity, sliding to 0.9702 from 0.9963. Against the safe haven Swiss franc, the dollar dipped to 0.8919 from 0.9197. Gold prices plummeted yesterday on Japan's nuclear crisis, falling to $1,386.30 an ounce, and today the precious metal rose to $1,398.32. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 138.70 with a preference to enter into long positions at 138.80. The dollar yen pivot point is 80.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 80.25. Today's calendar market movers: Switzerland interest rate decision is forecast to keep rates unchanged at 0.25%. US consumer price index in February is forecast to gain 2%, and US initial jobless claims is forecast to fall to 387,000. Not onto equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday with the SP 500 trading down 1.95% and the Dow was down 2.04%. European bourse is also negative with the FTSE down 1.70%, the DAX was down 2.01% and the CAC was down 2.23%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.24% and the Hang Seng was down 1.64%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.